We got our first mod, and is, well, you'll see it, but we're gonna go ahead and start up the GTR now, so we can hear the stock before, but it is a mid-pipe that we got. So here is a startup with the base mid-pipe. So this is the basic stock. A little bit. Louder. So that's the bass. So hopefully with the mid-pipe, I'm sorry, I'm so excited. It'll sound a little bit better. So we're just gonna put the car out. We're going out for a cruise tonight. So this is perfect that I got here in time. So this is the first mod for the GTR that we're gonna do, and I'm super excited. Yeah, so that's the first mod that we're gonna do on the GTR, and we're very excited for it. We can't wait to see how different it sounds. And mid-pipes you don't need a tune or anything. It's just, it'll make that sound a little bit more beefier. So can't wait. All right, guys, so we lift up the GTR. We're just lifting up on one side. I'll put the light so you can see. But it's very easy. But let me tighten this down and tighten this as well. So there's 2 bolts on each side, and then up there they have the same thing. So I don't know, I think I have to take out this little cover as well to get to them. I'm not quite sure, but I'll see. But here they are. These are the stock mid pipes. So pretty excited to get rid of those. Hey guys, so I removed these 2 bolts here, one there and one on that side. Just have the car jacked up on just 2 sides. I put a bunch of jacks in just for safety, you never know. And then so I watched a couple videos and they said you don't have to remove this bar right here. So you see there, that's where it's, I believe it's a 14, and I have a long extension to it. So you have that on 4 times, obviously 4 nuts, and then that's how you get to them. And then you should be able to just get them out without removing that. So it's hard to tell, but there's one bolt there. Here's another one there. Like I said, I don't know if the light gives it away. There's another one there. Same thing for this one, right here. And then one on this side. Once you get all these, then you have your mid pipe that comes down. And then you should be able to take the whole piece out. So I got all the bolts out, all the nuts, I'm sorry, and they're just, like I said, they're hidden. Now to get them out, they're really, really tight in there. Nissan does well. So I had to get a breaker bar like this. With a 14, I believe. So that's the way I was able to get it out, and it takes a lot of force to get them out. So just get like a little breaker bar like this and you'll thank me. So right now, let's take this out and so we can put the other one on. I had to use a pry bar to get it up. Once I got it up, I got it between the joints and I pried it as well as here. So there it is. It's officially out. I don't know if it's a little bit too hot. I was driving the car. Oh my God, this thing is heavy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh God. Okay. Let's bring it up. Oh, there it is, guys. Got it done. And it is heavy. So there it is, the stock mid-pipe. Wow. Anyway, we'll just put this thing on the side. I'll keep that just in case. Here's the mid-pipe. Guys, don't forget, go to JD Custom USA and use promo code BrianBuilt for any of their JDC parts, carbon fiber, titanium, etc. Use BrianBuilt as promo code and you get 10% off. So let's take this baby out. Holy crap. Look at this thing. Got a bubbly wrap. Alright. So the hardware and everything is included on this bad boy. I got the non-resonated one. So I'm gonna try to like put them side by side as best as I can. So you can see the difference. There is a huge difference. Boom, right there. So like I said, the hardware and the new gaskets are included. I will be using the stock ones. Everybody has used the stock ones, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing that. But I have hardware and everything, so that's pretty much it right there. And it's a straight drop-in. It's supposed to work like the OEM one, so everything's supposed to be there as it should, so. Guys, so we have it on. Just gotta put the hardware, just tight the nuts and everything, but there it is. It fits 100% perfectly fine. We had to play with this a little bit though to get it to fit, so we had to put this and just tread it a little bit and just get the nuts on the other side. But other than that, it's on there. Gonna get everything tightened up and then put the car down and start it up. All right, guys, there we go. Got the hardware on. Like I said, I used the same gaskets, OEM. I didn't like the gasket that the kid brought. So there it is. Got the bolts. I used the original nuts as well that came with the car, and then I used the original head gasket over there. Over here are the only ones that I didn't use, the original ones, the ones that brought that included on the hardware. But super happy with the install. Everything just went accordingly to plan. So now we clean up and turn on. It probably took us about an hour and a half, not even an hour to do it. So pretty awesome. Done, just like that. New Midpipe. All right, guys, so that's it, it's done. Let's go start it up and see what it sounds like. Actually pretty nervous right now, but I don't know. You guys, you ready? Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can definitely hear it. Like it's just like, oh man, it's a lot more like a rumble, like more of a deeper tone. Oh yeah. I'm gonna rev it up a little bit. Oh yes. Sounds so much better. Go ahead and rev it. Does it sound better? Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh my god. Give it like one rep, like a quick one. Oh. Did you hear that? Oh my god. Dude, it sounds so good. Well, that's it, guys. That was a mod. That was a Midpipe. That was the first mod for GTR. It won't be the last one, but for right now, it'll be the first. And just to hear a little bit louder, it just, God, it sounds good. Remember, guys, JD Custom USA. Go there, use Brian Build as a promo code, and you get 10% off. Bye, guys. Love you. Thanks for watching.